Okay, third quarter tayo. Yup. Official score 20. It's 20 quarter. Serapica, no good. Wala. Wala pa rin. Ayan na ang De La Salle steal. Serapica to number 33. Oh, wala. Number 30. Oh, steal number 30. Steal number 15. Oh, basket is good. Okay, 15 po ang down by 5. Serapica, and there's a foul.
Number 2. Point presenter. Substitution.
Second shot para kay Tyler Serapica. Basket is good. Sige, partner. Muna, cut lang natin para mapagtay natin. Cut mo lang. Water break ka muna, water break. Kasi yun na lang. Eh, tama maya. 8 seconds violation. Number 30 to Tyler, pinagay sa corner, running shot, basket para sa Ateneo. Serapica. Time out. Ang ating De La Salle Zobel. Tumalaki ang kalamangan ng Ateneo.
Stop na.
Sige. Partner, official score natin 25-15, 10-point lead para sa Ateneo. Siguro partner. Tapos, charge ka na. Pwede mo akong ma-charge? Pwede akong ma-charge? Okay lang.
Type C.
Type C. Okay lang. Para monitor lang ako. Kaya ka muna dyan, partner. Ayaw kitang mag-boost mo. Ayan.
Ayun na.
Abot naman. Abot lang lang. Steal. Castro binigay, number 22. Back to Castro. Castro using the board. Basket para kay Castro. 17-25. Pabasa 8 ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. Number 26, no good. Number 8, using the glass. Wala. And that's a 8 seconds violation.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 43 seconds.
Bola rito ng De La Salle Zubel.
Traveling violation.
That's a traveling violation.
Substitution.
Bad pass. Still, number 39. And that's a dribbling violation, partner.
By number 11. Second personal foul.
Ganda ng depensa nila, partner, no? Number 24, pinasa loob. Ayun na, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Substitution, 5 minutes and 25 seconds ang natitira sa ating game clock. Castro. Ayan na si Castro. Still nagagawan, and that's a jump ball.
Green ball. Asal ball.
Partner. Number 31, basket.
Big man.
Big man ng Ateneo, partner. Number 12 to number 11. Let's go. Number 11, pass to Castro. Castro attacking the basket. Nahuli siya doon. Number 31.
8 seconds to shoot.
8 seconds to shoot. Bola ng De La Salle Zubel. Pass to Castro. Fake. Castro binigay sa corner. Wala extra pass sa corner for 3. Too strong. Rebound ng Ateneo. Ayan na, number 31. The big man all the way. Akin na to. Via jersey number 31. 29-17. Number 11, nagay sa corner, attacking the basket, and there's a foul.
Foul by number 24. First
Number
personal foul.
24,
First team.
first shot, no good. Kay Castro. No good. Using the glass, number 31. No good. Wala. Number 33. No good. Running shot. Basket.
Timeout. That's up.
Lumalaki ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. Time out ang De La Salle Zobel.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 56 seconds.
Shout out, shout out. Set up. May parking nga tayo sa St. Joseph Bill. Sa St. Joseph Bill. Oo. Yung bago ba, coach? MY yung bago. Oh, yung bago, yung Igob. Meron na sa baba na. Meron naman. Pero naman sa McDo. Jollibee.
Game time.
Dikit lang yun, magkakadikit. Meron yun. Unahan nga lang. MY. Time remaining at 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Let's go, De La Salle. Ay na, number 3, running shot. Ooh. Good, walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Basket. Basket na naman para sa Ateneo. 35-17. Let's go, La Salle. Oopsie. Na-steal ng Ateneo. Number 33. Gets the corner. Too strong. Ayun na, let's go. Good defense para sa De La Salle. Ayun na sa post. Number 31. The big man. Akin na to. 37-17. Bad pass na again. Gets the 3. Back-to-back basket. 3 points para kay jersey number 31.
Substitution.
Let's go! Gagawan, and that's a jumble.
Ateneo ball. Substitution.
Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds.
7 to shoot.
Minabalali na po ang oras. 1 minute left. Number 42, short. Makakuha ng La Salle. Number 19, all the way, basket. 40-19.
35 seconds.
That's number 41, steal. Number 42. Number 32. Hello?
From the net. 15, running or dropping. Nineteen seconds.
Time remaining, 19.2 seconds. 1 point lang daw po yun, sabi natin referee. 3 points, 2 points lang daw po yun, sabi natin referee. 39-19. Last 19 seconds left. Let's go. Napasintas pa daw. 8 lang daw po. Oopsie, bad pass.
Green ball. 12 seconds.
Eight seconds. Gets the shot, no good. One other shot, basket. Nakahabol ng puntos doon ang De La Salle Zobel. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score is 21-39.
And the third quarter. Score 39-21. In favor Ateneo.
Lamang ang Ateneo pa rin with 18-point lead. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang ating De La Salle Zobel. Let's go.
Game time. Quarter.
Oh, masarap ang kinain ng ating commentator. Fourth quarter tayo. Good luck, boys. Let's go. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Oy! Oopsie! Bad pass! Kita yun ang ating referee. Let's go! Lasal! Oy! Ayan na! Bad pass! Same ball tayo. Bola nat ng De La Salle Zobel. Number 55. Number 2. Binigay sa loob. Pass to number 30. And there's a foul. Yes, may foul daw. Sabi ng ating referee. Same ball tayo. Sa loob, number 2, wala. Rebound by Castro. nagagawan dito. Steal, and that's a traveling violation. Kaya na ang Lasal, and there's a foul again. On the free throw area, jersey number 98 basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 88. Ayan na. What a pass. Bad pass nga lang yun.
Substitution.
Steal, number 28. To number 27. Pinasa loob, Serapika. Pass to corner, jump shot, no good. Iba by number 55. Oopsie. Pass to Castro. Castro, sidestep. Oh! There's the foul. Number 37. Single tayo. Pass number 98. Sumira. Wala. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
No, lang
14 seconds to shot.
7 minutes and 19 seconds left. Let's go. Oh, steal. Bad pass. Nakakuha ulit. Oh, bad pass again. Steal by Ateneo, but there's a foul. To number 27. No good. Number 30. Pass number 2. And there's a foul. Shooting the line in jersey number 2.
Substitution.
That's Cruz. Or Dauz.
Time remaining. 6 minutes and wait.
6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. No good. Second shot para kay jersey number 2, Daus. Ayun na, short. Out of bounds. Bola na ang Ateneo. Let's go defense. Ayun na ang Ateneo. Number 35. And that's 8 seconds.
8 seconds left.
Ayan. Tumawid na pa pero dapat daw dalawa. Let's go. Bola din man dito ng De La Salle. Number 55. Ayan na. Uy, block by Serapika. Number 30, pass to Tyler. Basket is good. By Tyler Serafica. Castro sa kabila, may tangan ng bola. Gustong makabawi. Castro, nabitawan. Still, number 38, running shot, no good. Number 30, basket by jersey number 30. That is Palma. Nanalo pa nun sa MY tayo. Ang Blue Eagles na to. Castro, and there's a foul.
30, second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty tayo. On the free throw area. Jersey number 15, Castro. Shoutout kay Sir Lavin. No good. Let's go, Castro. Second shot. Basket, swak na swak yan para kay Castro. Number 15. 23 to 43. 20-point lead para sa Ateneo. Number 30 to number 37. Binigay sa corner. Number 55. Pass to out of bounds. But there's a foul again. Number 37.
37, second personal foul.
That is second personal foul para kay Tyler Serafica.
Time remaining. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. No good. Second shot is good. 24 to 45. Lamang pa rin ang Ateneo. Number 38. Nigay. No good. Rebound by Tyler. Tyler, backdoor pass, number 43, bounce pass. Too strong, rebound, pass to Tyler. He'd make the shot. 47 to 24. Castro with the ball. Castro to number 11. Running shot, nakalusot. In and out. Rebound by Serafica. Serafica to number 29. Binigay. Konti ka na maagawan, nakalusot. Number 30 all the way.
Time out. Lasal.
Time out. Lasal. De La Salle Zubel.
Time remaining. 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Game time.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Bola dito ng De La Salle Zubel. Number 12, Running shot. Basket.
Good ball.
Steal. Pass number 12. No good. There's a foul. Pass number 43. Wala. Uy.
Number 11, third percent pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Uy, libre doon si number 31. Naka-outplay doon ang Ateneo. Castro. There's a foul. Penalty. Ateneo's under penalty situation. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 15, Castro. First shot para kay Castro. Oh, no good. One weak one, Castro. Once again. Ayan na. Oh, block. Number 34, block again. Good defense para sa De La Salle Zubel. Ayan na, out that pass, Castro. Using the board. Yes, sir. Ay, Castro. There's a foul. Last 2 minutes tayo. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds.
Substitution.
Number 34, running shot, no good. Number 22. Ayun na si number 12 and there's a foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Last 1 minute and 24 seconds.
On the free throw area, jersey number 12. Ami. Second shot para kay Ami, no good. Rebound. Basket.
Substitution.
Nasa. Shot. Basket by number 34. Ami, binigay. Castillo, steal. Ooh, 24-second shot clock violation. Number 42, binigay. Steal by number 37.
45 seconds.
Ami, binigay sa corner. Fake. Castillo, short, rebound. Ayan na, number 40. Block. Number 29, no call.
5 seconds.
Last 20 seconds.
15 seconds.
Let's go, Ami. Catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound. Ay, ang Ateneo. And that's the end of the game. What a nice game from both team. And congratulations to our winning team, ang Ateneo. Pass back po tayo, ang De La Salle Zobel for the next game. And congratulations to Ateneo de Manila University. Alright, our final score, 55-30 sa pagtatapos ng ating laban between the De La Salle Zobel versus the Ateneo. Alright, muli maraming pong salamat to all the parents na kumawa po sa amin together with former Kagawad Kags. Shoutout muna, Kags. Ayan, kasama ko sa Kagawad Rudy Alfonso. My left. Magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook.